What's up, Peters? Guys, it's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblin, Granny, and we are the Marvelous Numbers. We are here at SMOA, and currently they are showing Fantastic Four. Let's go! Featuring Pedro Pascal, Vanessa Kirby, The Thing, and Stranger Things guy. And I was portraying Mr. Fantastic, so elongated vibe ako. Kaya ba, may nire-reference ba kayo? Or naghanap lang kayo ng blue damit sa cabinet? Okay na to.
Okay na to. Ito yung headband.
Oh yeah. It's a bit very 60s na. Okay. And then, meron akong texture yung sando ko. Human Torch ako, syempre. Ito nga pala si Thing. We are about to express our feelings about the movie using our faces, my guys. 3, 2, 1. We are gonna do an after review. Personal thoughts. We'll start off with Granny.
Maganda yung direction na ginawa nila for the introduction of the Fantastic Four.
Sobrang breather niya compared sa ibang mga pinanood natin.
I really felt yung pinaka nilook forward ko, introducing a family.
Pinakamagandang burst
Expect ko lang na mas sumisigaw pa siya or
Crush ko si Sylvester.
Oh.
I hope you surf by. Let's start rating the movie Fantastic Four First Steps. 3, 2, 1. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblucus,
Granny,
and we are the Marvel Numbers Squad.